Today we learn alphabets. Today we learn alphabets. Today we learn alphabets. Place the alphabets properly. What is this one? B. B. Place the letter B. Right, very good. What is this letter? G. What is this letter? G. What is this letter? C. What is this letter? C. C. What is this letter? C. What is this letter? M. What is this letter? M. What is this letter? M. What is this letter? W. 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 What is this letter? D. What is this letter? D. What is this letter? H. What is this letter? H. What is this letter? H. What is this letter? R. What is this letter? R. What is this letter? R. What is this letter? S. What is this letter? S. What is this letter? Yes. What is this letter? Q. What is this letter? Q. What is this letter? Q. What is this letter? O. What is this letter? O. What is this letter? Z. What is this letter? Z. What is this letter? Z. What is this letter? I. What is this letter? I. What is this letter? I. What is this letter? X. 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 Now we are searching for remaining letters. What is this letter? E. What is this letter? E. What is that letter? E. What is this letter? E. What is this letter? J. What is this letter? J. What is this letter? V. What is this letter? V. What is this letter? Y. What is this letter? Y. What is this letter? K. What is this letter? K. Now we are searching for L, N, T, U. What is this letter? N. What is this letter? N. What is this letter? T. What is this letter? T. What is this letter? U. What is that letter? U. What is this letter? U. What is this letter? L. What is that letter? L. What is this letter? F. What is this letter? F. Finally, we are searching for A. What is this letter? A. Yeah. Now we are searching for P. P. Complete. Today we learn alphabets. What is this? These are all alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are all alphabets. Okay, bye bye today.